Hello and welcome to the SPHINX at Health Security online workshop, where we will discuss several advancements in the field of cybersecurity and information security, resulting from the experience gained and the tangible results obtained by the SPHINX project, focusing on our pilot partners' perspective. My name is Christos Danos. I am a research director at the Decision Support Systems Laboratory of the National Technical University of Athens, and I am the coordinator of the SPHINX project. The SPHINX project aims to bring cybersecurity solution that enhances the cyber protection of the healthcare IT ecosystem and ensure the patient's data privacy and integrity. It has 17 partners from 9 EU countries with universities, large industrial partners, hospitals, software houses, technology providers, and SMEs in varying fields of relevant expertise. The project started in January 2019 and it is near its completion in March this year. The resulting tools and integrated platform is being tested in 3 pilot sites that include 4 hospitals in total, 2 in Greece, 1 in Portugal, and 1 in Romania. These are the General University Hospital of Larissa and the General Hospital of Volos under the jurisdiction of the 5th Regional Health Authority of Thessaly and Styria in Greece, the Hospital do Espírito Santo de Évora in Portugal, and the Polaris Medical Hospital in Romania. In this online workshop, after this presentation, we are going to be presented with the SPHINX Toolkit by Stelios Karagiannis of PDMFC, our technical manager, followed by a session presenting our pilot partners' experience with using the tools that were developed. There are going to be presentations by Thanos Gikas of the University General Hospital of Larissa, Sergio Marin of Polaris Medical Hospital, Ricardo Cabecinia of Hospital do Espírito Santo de Évora, and Fotios Goulekas of the 5th Regional Health Authority of Thessaly and Styria. There will be a short break in between. Information security and cybersecurity are often confused. Cybersecurity is the ability to ensure confidentiality, integrity, and availability of information in the cyberspace, and even more specifically, as NIST puts it, from cyber attacks. Information security, on the other hand, is about ensuring confidentiality, integrity, and availability of information everywhere. This includes all information assets, data, applications, and physical assets like paper records, medical devices, IT infrastructure, removable media, but also processes, policies, and last but not least, people. To address information security and cybersecurity, there need to be systems in place, and systems need a management commitment. The ISO 27001 standard early on identifies the necessity to obtain a commitment by the leadership that appropriate resources will be secured to design and operate an information security management system. There are several standards, legislation, and support to set up these systems, but in the end, in order to ensure that they are functional, well supported, properly maintained, and effective, the top management needs to accept that A, there is a significant financial and human risk associated with security incidents, and B, the design and operation of information security management systems requires dedicated financial and human resources. What we need to keep in mind, though, is that cost of a major incident is a lot higher than the one to set up an ISMS. In this respect, SPHINX has been dealing primarily with cybersecurity, but keeping the bigger picture always in the frame. Physical assets can be damaged by cyber attacks, and people are as much part of IT system as computer chips. Keeping this in mind, and to get an idea of the main components of the SPHINX solution, here's an overview of its architecture. On the top, you can see the representation of the operational IT environment of the healthcare organization we integrate our solution with. The main building blocks of SPHINX are device verification and certification, for the verification of the level of cybersecurity of software applications and services, where tests are performed in a sandboxed environment and tools and systems are validated, automated cybersecurity risk assessment, which deals with advanced and automated tools to assess the level of cybersecurity of a given environment, decision support system and integration dashboards that target user-side functionalities related to decision support, the Cybersecurity Toolbox, a centralized tool which enables users to select SPHINX services and functionalities, third-party APIs to enable third-party healthcare solution integration, and the common integration platform for all SPHINX components and systems. The main tools that have been implemented and tested are the Vulnerability Assessment as a Service and Automated Cybersecurity Certification, which uses a common vulnerability scoring system to constantly assess the vulnerabilities of all connected endpoints, including any newly collected ones. Data traffic monitoring and the anomaly detection tools that work together to identify threats in the network traffic based on a signature level analysis, and also using artificial intelligence to detect activities that seem to be out of place from normal or expected traffic. Real-time cyber risk assessment models for incident management, which periodically assess the risk of cybersecurity incidents within an organization, determine their probable consequences, and present warning levels and alerts. The Security Information Management and Event Management System, the C.I.A.N, which is monitoring logs, flows, and events of applications, network, operation systems, devices, including data from many other sources. The artificial intelligence honeypot and machine learning empowered intrusion detection tools that act as a decoy to appear as vulnerable systems to lure attackers and identify tools and methods used to perform malicious actions. The cyber threat taxonomy and forensic data collection engine, which collects and combines information generated from security incidents of multiple sources and types. The homomorphic encryption data privacy, which performs data anonymization and allows for searching in encrypted data without decrypting them. Decision support engine, which helps suggest preventive and counter actions for potential or implemented attack vectors. The attack and behavior simulators that simulate an IT ecosystem with its normal network activity, on which simulated attacks can be performed to test systems and responses. The cybersecurity knowledge base, which offers cyber threat intelligence information, and the blockchain-based threats registry, which is a shared registry of threats that uses a Hyperledger Fabric blockchain network to ensure its integrity. In SPHINX, we have made a significant effort to address all aspects of information security. In this table, you can see how, conservatively thinking, the various SPHINX components help address vulnerabilities and threats that affect confidentiality, integrity, availability, and non-repudiation, respectively. For example, the Vulnerability Assessment as a Service and Automated Cybersecurity Certification acts towards ensuring the integrity of software and hardware assets and ensuring their availability, while the Homomorphic Encryption and Data Privacy tool acts towards ensuring the confidentiality of the related information assets. At the same time, these tools don't act only preventively, but they can assist in each phase of an attack, starting from the pre-attack and prevention phase to the detection of an attempted or successful attack, the recovery, as well as the restoration of the systems. Several core components of SPHINX are crucial on the detection phase of an attack. These tools, as well as some others that are part of the integrated capabilities of the SPHINX solution, can be found both in our project website, sphinx-project.eu, alongside demonstration videos, as well as by searching the Horizon results platform with the keyword SPHINX. In the following couple of months, more information is going to be added, including more demos and guides. Thank you for your attention. We can move now to the presentation by Stelios Karagiannis.